Introducing Corto Fluid Dispenser Syringe from Top Syringe Manufacturing Company Private Limited. This short video demonstrates the various features and applications of Corto Fluid Dispenser Syringe. The syringe can be used for a wide range of dosing applications around the laboratory. Each model has contoured finger rings and thumb rest that allows effortless, non-fatiguing, one-handed operation. At the core of the hand-operated syringe are precision-machined borosilicate glass plungers, moving inside precision bore and graduated ground borosilicate glass barrels which form a liquid-tight seal without the need of O-rings. The syringe consists of robust metal body and detachable valve system. The volume can be set quickly. Unlock the safety locking nut and turn the micrometer screw until the plunger edge reaches the appropriate position on the barrel graduation. Tighten the locking nut. The volume will not vary while activating the syringe, providing excellent dose-by-dose repeatability. This syringe offers complete flexibility as it can be used with the valve system for continuous working or without valve for dose-by-dose working. Volume accuracy can be set to a least count, varying as per syringe size. A wide range of applications are possible. The syringe is perfect for dispensing sterile hot agar into petri dishes. A variety of liquids can be handled, including inks, medicines, solvents, acids, etc. Connect the tubing to the valve attached to the syringe. Dip the sinker attached to the tubing into the hot agar bottle. Sterile dispensing can start immediately after priming. The lure lock fixture accommodates all standards of the syringe filters. The syringe without a valve is perfect for sampling any liquid. Open and dismantle the extension. There you will find SS washer and a tapered spring. Remove both of them and keep it aside. Turn the volume adjustable nut and locking nut on metal holder in anti-clockwise direction and ensure that the SS piston is at the lowest. This will ensure easy assembly of glass syringe inside metal holder. Dismantle the syringe, that is, remove plunger from barrel. Remove any barrier kept between syringe barrel and plunger for protection. Insert the plunger spring inside the syringe plunger. Note that the spring is tapered, so insert from narrow side by twisting it inside clockwise direction and it will rest on syringe plunger flange. The wide side of a spring will remain at top. You can insert the spring easily by rotating it clockwise without disturbing the spring tension. Insert the syringe barrel inside the metal extension and place the SS washer over the flange of barrel. Now insert the syringe plunger with tapered spring inside the syringe barrel. Ensure the wide side of tapered spring comes in contact with SS washer. Hold the tip of glass syringe barrel so that the plunger won't come outside. Insert the same assembled barrel and plunger in metal holder and screw it with metal extension. You can open and adjust the handle cap if so needed to slightly adjust the fitment. Rotate the volume adjustable screw in clockwise direction to push the glass plunger up into glass barrel. Rotate the lock nut in clockwise direction and ensure it touches bottom of handle cap so as to keep fixed your desired volume for repetitive dispensing. Now attach the detachable valve assembly by putting to the tip with slight twisting. Place the end of tubing, that is sinker, into the liquid. Attach the needle as per the requirement. Now the kit is ready to use.